So the liver is an amazing organ. It does 500 functions in your body. Some people say the liver is this quiet little factory that no one appreciates until it goes wrong. We've known since ancient times, actually, that the liver has amazing powers of healing itself. However, in most cases in chronic liver disease, which happens from fatty liver disease, from viral hepatitis, or from alcohol, the liver is unable to heal itself. What we've learned over time is really the only cure for liver failure is liver transplant. And about 85% of people who need a transplant can't get one today, either because there's not an organ available or they can't survive the surgery. And so our work really is about creating like a little booster, could leave that sick liver in place and provide some of those functions to make people feel better.
So we first use a microfluidic system to create tiny beads of hydrogel. We also group the liver cells together into clusters called spheroids, and then we mix these hydrogel beads with the spheroids of liver cells together into a slurry, sort of like mixing two different types of balls together.
So, the liver is kind of unique in the sense that a lot of the things that it does at a distance. And because of that, over the years, we realized that you can put liver cells elsewhere as long as they will survive and thrive. And those are really the two key constraints. And so for them to thrive, you need blood vessels to grow in very quickly and allow the host to support their function. And the structure of this tissue allows us to do that.
The way we have designed this technology, it is very modular. It consists of these different components that can be taken apart and put back together. So one can imagine, instead of having the liver cells, we can have cells of a different tissue to be able to apply this technology for transplant of another organ.
The last thing that's really exciting about this technology is the idea that it might make cell therapy, of which this is a kind, more accessible all around the world. Transplants happen in the hospital by specialized surgeons. And one thing that we're really excited about is the possibility that having an injectable liver will allow this procedure to happen in more accessible settings. We envision that it could even happen in a clinic, not a surgical suite. And what that means to us is that many more patients who need booster livers might be able to get them.